In this particular lesson, we're going to learn how to do a double roll hem. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a 1-inch hem double fold. Very, very simple. I'm going to measure 1 inch, which is about here. I'm going to turn the fabric over. That's one fold, and we're going to turn it over again, which is a double fold. And this time we're going to sew very close to the edge. And as you can see, we're doing a double fold, and I'm pretty much folding it as we go. And we're doing a double 1-inch fold, which ends up being a 2-inch hemline because we've got the fabric double folded up. Gonna cut our threads. And there you have a double fold hem.